Access to justice is largely dependent on the manpower in the justice sector. To promote access to justice in Nigeria, the National Judicial Council, through the federal government, is working hard towards the provision of adequate manpower in the judiciary. Just recently, the Supreme Court, with the approval of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has the full complement of the justices of 21 as stipulated in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended. The Court of Appeal, which is the penultimate court between the trial court and the Supreme Court before the latest addition, has 66 justices on its bench. These are the 22 additional justices on the bench of the Court of Appeal. They were elevated from the different judiciaries across the country. With this new set of justices, the Court of Appeal, with 20 divisions aside from its headquarters, now has 88 justices on its bench. The development is expected to aid quick dispensation of justice in the country. Administering oath of office on the new justices, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Olukayode Aruola, maintained that as judicial officers, they must continue to interpret the law as it is. Justice Aruola charged his brother justices to always conduct themselves in a manner where the integrity of the judiciary as the third arm of government will be protected.
The number of justices that we have just sworn in today is quite unprecedented in the recent history of the Court of Appeal. Today's ceremony is an indication of the perilous times that we are currently in, which has resulted in an upsurge in litigation. Several unfathomable crimes are being committed in this country, aside from the usual political matters that have made litigations to go on alarming rise.
Justice Aruola also administered oath of office on the new 12 judicial officers just elevated to the bench of the High Court of the FCT. The High Court of the FCT, before the elevation of 3 of them to the Appellate Court, has 57 judicial officers. The court, with 5 judicial divisions, now has 66 judges on its bench.